to you by Canada Card World. Today is the official release of 2009-10 Upper Deck The Cup Hockey. So we've got two tins here that we're going to break. And there's the nice big box. And the other one in the corner. We'll put these in two separate videos to post. And let's get this started. Now, Upper Deck The Cups had a lot of buzz over the last couple of weeks. They've been posting photos on Twitter and Facebook. And yeah, everybody's hyped. Lots of beautiful patches online in those photos. Let's see if maybe we can grab one too. So, let's get into this box here. Still not in. Make sure your cards are protected. Maybe the second one will be a little quicker. There we go. There's our tin. There we go with our pack. So, one more wrapper to open. Not yet there either. It's an ordeal getting in. There we go. And there's our first card. It is a Zach Parise base, numbered to 249. Let's get these boys out. And see. That's there. Looks like we got one more on the bottom. And that's all of them. So let's do these slowly. Increase the excitement if possible. Let's hope we get something nice. So there's the Parise again. Our next card is a Cal O'Reilly rookie patch, numbered to 249, autographed as well. It's a nice patch there. Got some blue, some yellow, some white. Cal O'Reilly's with the Preds, Nashville. Next up, we have limited logo of Evgeny Malkin, autographed. Wow, look at that logo. That looks like it might be part of the bottom of his 7 on the 71 jersey. Wow, and that is numbered to 50. That's a beauty. Wow. Next up, we've got a Doug Gilmour Enshrinements autograph. Numbered to 50, numbered 5 of 50, another autograph. So we've got 3 autographs so far. Wow. Next up, wow, Stanley Cup signature of Brian Leetch, numbered to 50. Number 43 of 50, nice design. Leetch won the cup back in, what was that, 94, after 50 years of New York futility. And finally, we have a rookie of Matt Hendricks, another autograph, numbered to 249. Another beautiful patch. Wow. So we had Matt Hendricks auto patch, a Brian Leetch auto, a Doug Gilmour auto, an Evgeny Malkin auto, and a Cal O'Reilly auto. That is 5 autographs and 1 base card. That's a beauty. So that's the first tin of the Cup 2009-10, brought to you by Canada Card World. You can visit us at canadacardworld.com, or you can also visit our blog at canadacardworldblog.com for lots of product previews, updates, rookie news, hobby news, and lots more. So stay tuned for tin number 2.